The Nothing Phone 3 is coming, and leaks just spilled its price and colors. Starting at $799, this sleek beast drops July 1st. Today on GadInsider, we're diving into the hottest details before its launch. Stick around, you won't want to miss this. GadInsider, your ultimate source for tech, gadgets, and cutting-edge reveals. Leaked by a tipster and reported by GadInsider, the Nothing Phone 3 is set to launch next month with premium specs at a killer price. With black and white color options, it's keeping Nothing's iconic style. Let's break it down. The Nothing Phone 3 starts at $799 for 12GB RAM and 256GB storage, or $899 for 16GB RAM and 512GB storage. It rocks a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, a triple camera with telephoto, and a dot matrix display, replacing the glyph interface, keeping that Nothing vibe. Expos are buzzing. Fans love the premium materials and the $799 price, but some miss the glyph's charm. Nothing's also teasing new headphones at the July 1st launch, making this a double reveal. Could this steal the show from Pixel 10? Launching on July 1st, the Nothing Phone 3 aims to dominate the mid-premium market. With a 6.7-inch AMO LED and 120Hz refresh rate, it's built for style and speed. GadInsider fan, are you grabbing the Nothing Phone 3 in black or white? Drop it in the comments, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay locked into GadInsider.